My love, this show is wonderful and is beautiful as always, and I'm sure you partake in that very much. So you tell me, how did this come about and what made you decide to participate in such a wonderful event?
Well, it definitely was a celebration of Caribbean, us united, the Creole islands. So you got Haiti, you have St. Martin, you have Martinique, Guadeloupe, etc. So, it's really to bring carnival, but in French style, but also celebrating, also including other items outside of that too. So shout out to Tally Nefatali. So she's a good friend. She worked behind the scenes. So I reached out to her. I said, listen, I need to be part of this. She said, come on, and I'm glad that I was part of capturing the important moments in order to kind of share with the audience what celebrating different ethnicity looks like, and enjoying each other's culture, especially here in Miami. Like we are a melting pot